Have you ever wondered what a simple fruit could do for your kidney health? It may seem surprising, but the solution to many kidney problems might be right in your kitchen, in something as small and delicious as the blueberry. While many of us struggle to understand the complexities of kidney care, a simple dietary change can offer quick and significant rewards. And the best part? You don't need expensive medications or complicated treatments. Blueberries, with their almost miraculous powers, can transform your kidney health and, consequently, your life. In this content, we will uncover what few know, how something so accessible can be the key to a healthier body and a longer life. Miracle fruit unveiled. Blueberries are more than just a tasty and versatile fruit. They are true miracles of nature, especially when it comes to promoting kidney health. These small blue fruits contain an abundance of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been shown to be effective in combating proteinuria. This term may sound complicated, but it simply means the presence of proteins in the urine, a sign that something is wrong with your kidneys. Incorporating blueberries into your daily diet can be an important step in protecting these vital organs. When we think about how blueberries work, it's fascinating to realize the power of the antioxidants they contain. These compounds, especially anthocyanins, help reduce oxidative stress, which is one of the main causes of kidney damage. Imagine antioxidants as little guardians that protect kidney cells from constant attacks by free radicals. With this protection, the kidneys have a better chance to recover and function better, reducing the progression of kidney disease. So, as you savor a handful of blueberries, know that you are indeed strengthening your kidneys from the inside out. In addition to being rich in antioxidants, blueberries are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them ideal for those who need to take care of their kidneys. These nutrients, when in excess, can overload the kidneys, especially in people who already have some renal impairment. Therefore, for those who want to keep their kidney health in check, blueberries appear as a tasty and safe option. For those who like convenience, they can be added to yogurt, smoothies, or simply eaten on their own, ensuring a daily dose of kidney protection without complications. What's most interesting is that the benefits of blueberries go beyond the kidneys. They are also heart allies, helping to regulate blood pressure and control blood sugar levels. And as we know, keeping the heart healthy is crucial for the proper functioning of the kidneys. Thus, by including blueberries in your diet, you are not only taking care of your kidneys but also giving your body comprehensive support that can reflect in a longer and healthier life. And speaking of comprehensive support, have you thought about other foods that can help with this care? How it works? Blueberries play a fascinating role in kidney health, and all this is due to the power of the antioxidants they contain. But what exactly happens in the body when we consume these little fruits? To start, the antioxidants present in blueberries, especially anthocyanins, help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that cause damage to kidney cells. Think of free radicals as rust slowly corroding a piece of metal. Antioxidants act as a protective layer, preventing this rust from causing further damage to the kidneys. In addition to protecting kidney cells, the antioxidants in blueberries also help improve blood circulation in these vital organs. Healthy blood flow is essential for the kidneys to properly filter toxins from the blood. When the flow is compromised, the kidneys may begin to fail in their primary function, leading to serious complications. By consuming blueberries regularly, you are ensuring that your kidneys receive the necessary support to continue functioning efficiently. This is a simple and natural way to take care of kidney health, something that can be easily incorporated into daily life. Another interesting aspect is how blueberries help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Chronic inflammation is one of the main factors contributing to the development of kidney disease. The antioxidants, along with other anti-inflammatory compounds present in blueberries, work together to decrease this inflammation, providing relief and protection to the kidneys. Imagine the relief your body feels when consuming foods that fight inflammation. It's like giving your kidneys a much-needed break from all the pressure they face daily. Finally, it's important to remember that kidney health is intrinsically linked to overall body health. By strengthening the kidneys, you are also promoting general well-being, something that reflects in energy, vitality, and quality of life. If you are looking for ways to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning well, adding blueberries to your diet is an effective and natural step. Now, besides blueberries, what other foods can play a similar role in protecting your kidneys? Kidney-friendly nutrition. When it comes to taking care of your kidneys, diet plays a crucial role, and blueberries stand out as one of the most kidney-friendly foods. Part of this is due to the fact that they are naturally low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. For those unfamiliar, these nutrients, although essential for the body, need to be consumed in moderation, especially by those who already have some renal impairment. Excess potassium, for example, can overload the kidneys, making them less efficient. Therefore, including blueberries in your diet is a safe and delicious way to nourish your body without putting unnecessary pressure on your kidneys. Consuming foods that are low in sodium, like blueberries, helps keep blood pressure under control, which is essential for kidney health. Hypertension is one of the main causes of kidney damage, and by choosing foods that help control pressure, you are indeed giving your kidneys a much-needed break. Adding blueberries to your diet, whether for breakfast, as part of a salad, or even in a healthy dessert, is an easy way to support kidney function while enjoying something tasty. Moreover, blueberries are an excellent option for those who need to monitor phosphorus intake. Many people with kidney problems need to avoid phosphorus-rich foods, as these can build up in the body and cause bone and heart problems. Blueberries, being naturally low in this mineral, offer a safe alternative for those who want to take care of their health without giving up flavor. This means you can consume them without worrying about adverse side effects, keeping your bones and heart protected while taking care of your kidneys. By including blueberries in your diet, you are also ensuring balanced nutrition that benefits the entire body, not just the kidneys. The versatility of this fruit allows it to be incorporated into various meals, whether in smoothies, mixed with oatmeal, or even as a snack between meals. This way, not only your kidneys benefit, but your entire body receives a nutritional boost. And speaking of balanced nutrition, did you know that there are other foods as beneficial as blueberries for overall health? Additional health benefits. The benefits of blueberries go far beyond promoting kidney health. These small fruits are true allies for overall well-being. One of the main positive impacts that blueberries have is on heart health. They are rich in antioxidants that help improve cardiovascular health, regulating cholesterol levels and protecting against artery inflammation. A healthy heart is essential to ensure that the kidneys receive adequate blood flow, crucial for the efficient filtering of toxins from the body. In addition to strengthening the heart, blueberries also play an important role in controlling blood pressure. Hypertension, as we have already mentioned, is one of the main causes of kidney damage, and blueberries help keep this condition under control. By including this fruit in your diet, you are not only taking care of your kidneys but also preventing complications related to high blood pressure. A practical example would be adding blueberries to your morning cereal or making a refreshing juice with this fruit, a simple way to keep cardiovascular health in check. Another remarkable aspect of blueberries is their ability to help control blood sugar levels. Keeping blood sugar under control is crucial to avoid kidney complications, especially in people with diabetes. Blueberries have a low glycemic index, meaning they do not cause spikes in blood sugar, making them a safe and healthy choice for those who need to monitor their glucose levels. Incorporating blueberries into meals and snacks is a smart strategy to keep sugar levels stable throughout the day, thus contributing to kidney protection and overall body health. Finally, it's important to highlight that blueberries offer a range of benefits that go beyond kidney, heart, and sugar control health. They are also known for their role in improving brain health, helping to preserve memory and cognitive function over the years. Keeping the mind sharp and the body healthy is essential for a long and fulfilling life. And with that in mind, what other practices can we adopt to ensure our health is always in balance? Now that you've discovered the power of blueberries for your kidney health, the question remains, what will you do with this knowledge? Remember, the key to transforming your health is in your hands, or rather, on your plate. Incorporating these small fruits into your daily routine could be the first step toward a significant change in your life. So, what's stopping you from starting now? What other actions can you take to protect your kidneys and ensure a longer, healthier life? Don't settle for less. Go beyond and explore all the potential that this simple change can bring. And if you want to keep learning and applying valuable tips like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. There's much more knowledge waiting for you.